Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle. Better gas mileage means better long-term driving, and this ride delivers with a great low fuel consumption rate. The powertrain includes front-wheel drive with a reliable engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Navigation included to help you get to your destination with ease. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. An AM/FM stereo. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles.